Hi everyone, Ponez here, and in this video I'm going to show you a backtest session of how I trade. I'm not profitable yet, that's why I'm recording this video so I can watch it later. If you want to watch my journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'll try to post a backtest video eventually become consistently profitable. So let's do it. Price ended up taking this low, and I thought price was going to go down from here, but it seems to go up. I don't know until where. We have this imbalance on the daily. Maybe we are going to close it. There's also this candle here. Yeah, this one or this on the daily, basically it's the same candle. This is the only balance I can see on H4. On H1 there is this one. And this line or this is basically the same place, but whatever. Let's see what happens here. For now, H1 is bullish. All internal, but bullish internal. This would be the inducement that it took. H1 internal. Now you're getting the direct pullback. On the direct pullback, usually this can get broken sometimes. So I'll wait for M5 here. We can short here. Best trades would be to long from here when after M5 gets turned to the bullish. Let's see. It's inefficient. Okay, now we have the first break. I'll not try to short now. It's very low in the leg. I'll not try to long. I didn't need another break. Yeah, ended up breaking more. So now this is another H1. Maybe price is not going to go up because H1 was down. We took this H1, came into even took this H4 I think, and now price is going down. Maybe we should follow M5 down. Well, let's see. Since price took this, I will wait for some M5s to get taken. Even M15. This looks better to get taken to then short. But this one I will not do. Ended up working, but it's the closest one. Kinda risky to do this one. Oh, now it broke. Ended up going to target, and now it broke. Now this is M15. This can also get broken to then tap here. Yeah, look at this straight move. I'm expecting this to get taken. Yeah. Now these candles are, oh, it's 6. What the fuck? I didn't notice the time. 5 a.m. Okay. So, there was this H1. Maybe you are going to tap here. M5 to go up. Press taps here. I want to see M5 going down. M5 will be here. For now it's going up. You can long here, but you're very behind the leg. I would prefer to short. Looking at this leg, this is the extreme to short. So I will not try to long here. If this breaks, M5 is here, ended up going up. No, and take this. This is not a strong low. This is just a BOS. But I should wait for some M5 to get taken. Like here. I wanna see price coming here. And here I can long. Yes, looks better. At least it was M5 manipulation. I don't wanna long it here. I wanna see at least price close to the 50. I can do this. This is a nice rejection. Price took this liquidity. I don't know if it will take this. This was a nice liquidity tapping here. Actually didn't tap here. Maybe we can do the stop here would be the best one, of course. One more. Yeah, now it looks better. I'll do like this. Manipulation to go down. Fulfill the target. This manipulation. Tap to here. Yeah, I think this is M5 internal. Oh. M5 is here. Internal manipulation. No confirmation entry. Yeah, I don't think there was confirmation here, only internal stuff. I don't want to do that. Now we are at that balance. Just ignored it. Let's see price coming back here. Too long. And you did more manipulation. It broke. Actually, I could use this because this is a straight leg, and then I become efficient. So I can actually use this. Price took this liquidity. Nice rejection. I can try this. Let's see. So now I'm on external. One external is here, and then it's from here to here, and then it broke. It's breaking the highs by 1 pipette. Doesn't look that strong. Now took this. There is no the POI here is not great. Too long for the confirmation. Now we tap this. I think I have to try again. It's because I got unlucky and this didn't hold. This is a Harami also at the extreme. If it doesn't work, it's two stop losses in a row. Now this is M5. Oh, it's 2 p.m. Each one is straight leg. Best place to long would be here. This is M15 manipulation. This would be the POI of the M15. There's also this on M5. Didn't break yet, but it seems like it will break. M5 is bearish. Just manipulated the 5s. Maybe we can short here. This is also H1. H1 internal. Oh, this was also M15. The best PI I can see is this, And this wick will be the refined, at least a little bit higher. This one is kind of sketchy. Like it's kind of I don't know how to explain. It's too close, I think. Let's see. Yeah, this one didn't hold. And this POI actually held price. This POI was kind of weird because it's only a candle. On H1 it's nothing. Only on M5 and M15 it's something better. Yeah, this was much better than this. It was higher in the lag. Here, I don't know. You have to wait for M5. Only give a reaction. M5 is not efficient. There's this gap here. Okay, maybe now. The only thing that I don't like about this long is that we took all of this liquidity. Even take, no, I didn't take yet. Price started dropping here and we are at the same place. This looks better to short. Broke, came back and broke. This is valid. I'll try to long at the extreme. Yeah, ended up fading again. M5. There's a nice candle mitigated. Price can also come here. Out of me. I don't like this long. I'll wait for here. Seems like I will get stopped out here and here, then it's going to come here to maybe long again. And now they ended up holding. This is M5 to go down. There was no POI. Only here. Took this liquidity, which is it's the one that I can see on M5. I don't think price has strength to go up. Maybe it will, of course, but let's try. This looks good to me. to try. And if it goes up, it goes up. Oh my god. And this would be a M1. Tap here. What is this? I don't want a long here. It's in the middle of the leg. Price doesn't know where to go. Oh, finally. This failed. This worked. And now we took this less liquidity. Now this long could be better. The only problem is the stop. I have to do like this. Yeah, no way. This I could try, but I run the risk of getting stopped out again. And also this is only one leg down for the M5 mitigation, so I won't try this short. Yeah, press that up holding here, no way for me to know. Two, three, four, five. Okay, nice area to try to short, but which one? Now it's external, which one? But it's giving external inverse, tapping at the POI. This is kind of sketch, too long. I will be long with the direct pullback, I don't want to do that. But I have to wait for M5 to turn bearish. I will not try to long here. If I want to long from here. M5's all internal. Now broke. Has to break again. Now broke again. Wait, need to wait for M1 manipulation. This is one. Has to break above. And basically here. And then there's this liquidity. There's also this imbalance. I wanna short from here. Tap to 50. If I do this, I'd have to do something like this. 4R looks good. I'll try it. But I will. No, I won't use break even. Fuck that. This would be the first target, but I'm only targeting here because of the H1 inverse. So this would be the direct pullback, but this usually doesn't hold price, especially tapping into this, even though it's in the middle of the leg. Maybe it can give a reaction to do H1 manipulation again to then go up. So that's the reasoning behind this trade. Now maybe can short again. Inverse here. Broke, came up, tapped the 50. So the orders could be here, and it taps here. And so I have to do something like this. Again, stops kind of big. It's risky to do both trades on the same TP, but if the stop was smaller, then I could try 4R somewhere around here. Then it would be safer. Did it break? It broke. 75 was here, and here, and here. I'll give him 5. And there was nothing to... There is this order block. Maybe price only took the M5 and is going down. I don't think it will go back here. But this one, the stop is pretty small, so if the price comes back there, I can try to target here. Oh, I ended up stopping everything. Oh damn, now it's going. Yeah, this is too messy, man. I want a long from somewhere around here. Price is not going down. Oh fuck. Price only took me out and now it's going. I have to wait for well, because of this M5, I can try this long. Using the candle M5. No. I should have logged on this. That was a nice rejection. Well, those shorts didn't matter. It didn't came here where I thought it was going to go. Now which one? Here. This would be the PI, I think. Extreme one. We can short until somewhere around there. This is M5. We can short here. Oh, press only tapped and gave the candle. Okay, nice. Maybe press will take this as well. M5. Go. M5 manipulation to go down. This short is risky. $1.8R. No, I will not try this. Didn't came back to this imbalance field. Tap to 50. Another M5. 1, 2. I wanna see price coming here. M5. There's this POI or this one. Or even this with the whole POI. This was also M15. Price didn't tap anything. One took this liquidity. Now this long actually looks good. This one I'll try to target all the way up there to follow H1. Well, it's kind of far. This H1 manipulation is very far. Let's do 5R here in the middle of the leg and see what happens. Oh, it broke. M5. For this, I think I should have used this as the stop loss. Yeah, I think I messed up. I used the M5 POI, but the actual low is this one. I had to do something like this. Then to target here. We'll try to get a entry lower. The M5 actually did the inverse here as well. Now it's going up. Let's see. Price is fucking around here so much. Again, another M15. Now there was a POI. This one I skipped too fast. I could have shorted here. Yeah, this one I could have shorted. This one, no, because it didn't tap anything, but this one was very clean one. I messed up that one. And now we're going down. H1, I wanna see price coming back here. Not sure now M5 is going down. Direct pullback. No. Gave no chance for me to short. Oh, it's no 4, 5. H1 efficient down. M5. This manipulation is before it was efficient. You can do this, but it's a little bit aggressive. I won't do it. Now M5. POI is this. I don't see any imbalances. Well, this one is. I'll wait for this. They're up tapping this 50. H1 is also inefficient. You better wait for price to come here, then short H1 with M5. One, two. Now we can short it M5 here. If price comes back. Oh, didn't even tap the 50. Okay, now tap this H4. Oh, actually broke. Tap on the beginning of the POI. Broke. Now it's going up. This 50 is still open. M5 inverse. Broke here, broke here. Broke here, didn't tap anything. This is long. I think actually looks better. Just because where we are. But I want to see M5 efficient. Doesn't look like it wants to go up yet. No, the day is already over. What the fuck? There was no trades here. Only if you take this one, tap in the beginning of the POI. All the trades this day only tap at the beginning. Here tap the beginning. This one tap the beginning. But sometimes this can both. This one stop loss, and then you try here stop loss, then same thing here. It's kind of risky. This one the only one that maybe I could have done. I just didn't want to use this as my POI. This one maybe. This was no, the external was here. External is here. And there was no external manipulation to go down on the internal inverse. Oh, then it was here. After tapping the VOI, there was this manipulation, tapping here, and this one I could have done, but I didn't look for confirmations. I should have, but I didn't. Could have entered on this candle, stopped here, TP here. And then here there was no way. Price became efficient here. Equal lows. Maybe on the broker it broke, inverse. Well, you had to use this POI. Yeah, this one I don't know. And then this one, yeah, maybe I could have done this one just because there was no liquidity here. The leg is kind of straight. Could have done something like here. This one is kind of okay. And then now price is just going sideways. Oh, and the didn't break yet. It's going to take a long time to develop something. Yeah, this is it. Let's see the other days. This is only shorts on this day. It was kind of easy, but you just had to choose your trades better. This day was kind of hard. This was a nice trade. This I think a little bit not taking. 1.8 R. And then here price of a 5 change to go up. But I messed up. That didn't matter anyways because price made this M15 and then this one I lost. This one was a nice M15 to target the end of the POI. This I should have definitely done. Oh, this day was a mess. I thought H1 inverse, so I was trying to short until here, expecting this H1 to fail, but the pullback ended up holding, and this POI ended up holding. But there was a nice M5 candle here. On H1, M1 doesn't look that good. Well, actually there was this engulfing. Maybe I could have done that. I didn't see this engulfing before. Yeah, I could have used stock below this 50 and also this POI. This M5 ended up not holding. This was okay because this was the closest POI. And here is the same the same thing like M5 manipulation, tapping the POI, but there is no liquidity. This almost took me out. I got lucky on this one. And then this one failed. And then there's just a bunch of random things here. And the person ended up taking this liquidity and then going up. I didn't long here, but I also thought about longing there. This long was nice. M5, tapping the PY, taking this liquidity. Decide to use the stop below this because there was this liquidity as well. It was kind of close. This, not the angle here was kind of steep, but it was kind of close. And then here I messed up. It was 1 p.m. already. I didn't notice. And that's it. Yeah, struggling to go up. Missing too many trades still. And basically break even week again. I don't know why I avoid taking some trades. I have to figure something out. I don't know. Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.